Hi, this is Charles.
And this is LINNEA. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Okay, so what is the phrase?
Today's phrase is, I'm looking for a gift for my friend. So, what is that in Japanese?
友達のお土産を探しています。
So this is what you would say if essentially you're looking for a gift for someone. Here we put friend, but you could always replace this with something else. For example, you're looking for a gift for your mom or dad, or maybe sister or brother. You can always replace this word with anyone that you're looking for a gift for.
Okay.
Yep.
Sounds good. So, about the omiyage. So, what is
That's like souvenir, right?
Yes.
In English,
omiyage,
yeah.
Yes. And what is the best omiyage for you?
I don't know, because people don't really bring me souvenirs that much. I feel like a lot of people I know don't travel as much as I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
But, obviously, food, right? Something can eat.
Well, food would definitely be a good gift in general.
That's the best.
Yeah, food is always a good
Yes.
gift.
Me too. I've tried buy a lot of souvenir, something key holder, something cannot eat.
Yeah.
But not really. People enjoy looks like. So when I give some food, something eatable, so everyone, I can see their eye and people coming bigger. So definitely people interested in some food.
Yeah. Unless unless someone asked me for something specific, like I think when we went to Japan, my mom wanted like a T-shirt
Okay.
or something. So I went and got her a T-shirt then. But otherwise, I'll usually buy people food.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely.
something like that.
In New York, especially, people that buy for souvenir chocolate. No?
Chocolate? Yeah, I guess that makes sense. I mean, chocolate's a really good souvenir in
Yeah.
general. I think most people like chocolate.
Yes, and very easy to carry.
Mm-hmm.
And in New York, a lot of famous chocolate shop.
Yeah, I guess so. That's true.
I don't know much about, but what the best chocolate shop in New York City? You have idea?
I don't really buy like expensive chocolate that much. There was
Okay.
one you got me for Valentine's Day that was really good though, but I don't remember the name of it.
Okay.
What was
it? Lily something.
Lily?
Lily? I don't know. Lily, my Grand Central.
Oh, okay.
I got at the Grand Central and a lot of shopping mall there.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good chocolate there too.
Ooh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder which place it was, but yeah, I like sweets in general, so like
Yeah.
anything like that I'm happy with. Yeah, I don't buy expensive chocolate that much. I usually just like buy something cheaper like Lindt chocolate or something like that,
Yeah.
and I'm just happy with that, honestly. I really
Yeah.
like their
I
truffles.
know.
Yeah.
Yeah, chocolate. So what's
Yeah.
it called? Hershey's?
Hershey's? Yeah, Hershey's.
I don't like that.
I like
Yeah.
Hershey's.
Just
Hershey's is
tastes
good.
like just sugar.
Yeah, it's not very, like, Hershey's is not very chocolatey. It's, like, a very, like, junky kind of chocolate, which,
Yeah.
honestly, sometimes I'm in the mood for.
Yeah.
Like, sometimes I really want just, like, that junky kind of food.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Japanese chocolate much better.
I like Japanese chocolate, too. I really like the strawberry chocolate kind of stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's really good.
yeah, that's good. And dark chocolate and strawberry, and one side dark chocolate and one side strawberry chocolate.
Yeah, that's the best. Yeah, that
Yes.
sounds really good, honestly.
Yeah, all the time. I don't know why it's very common in Japan. Especially
Yeah,
Apollo,
that's true.
like a triangle one.
Oh, yeah, those ones. I always, like, ate those since I was a kid, too, because my mom and I would go to a shop called Pearl River, and they always had, like, Japanese snacks there.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess Sunrise Mart, which is, like, a Japanese market around here, also existed then, so I guess I could get snacks there, too. But
Okay.
it wasn't as common when I was a kid, I feel like, to see that kind of stuff.
Yep.
Yeah, but it's now very, like, easy to find, like, Japanese snacks and stuff if you want to get them.
Oh, right.
In New York City.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you get the chocolate, but if it's in Japan, obviously Daiso, you know, Daiso 100円 shop.
Yeah, sure. We went there. And there's some in New York as well.
Yeah, and all American supplies. Really, that's so pretty, you know, just a $1. That's a very good souvenir place, isn't it?
Yeah,
For American.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think if you go to like dollar shops here, they're not really that impressive most of the time. I feel like you need to go to like really deep into Brooklyn or Queens to find the good dollar stores, because otherwise if you're in Manhattan, like things first of all are not $1, and second of all they're like kind of cheap quality.
No,
So
I mean, if we go to Japan, I would.
Oh no, that's completely different.
Yeah.
I'm talking about like specifically in New York City, like the
Yeah,
stores
yeah.
here. Yeah. No, Daiso is like completely different. I really like shopping there.
Yeah, when we go to Japan and some souvenir for American friend, Daiso is the best, right?
Yeah, definitely. I
Yes.
think so too.
Yeah, whatever buy, every 20, 30 bucks, I can buy a huge bag. That's great.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. But even in America, even New York, like two Daiso here, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now we have a 100 yen shop, but it's not 100 yen.
Oh no, it's like $2. I guess because of like the import price or something.
Mhm.
So it kind of makes sense, but
A little bit expensive though. So even
yeah, a little bit
$2
more
will be-
expensive.
Now in LA to be 150 maybe 170.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, 170 yen maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but I still like to shop there anyway.
Okay.
It's not too bad. I just have to be careful not to buy too much stuff because I feel like every time we go to Daiso, we end up spending like $60 to $80
Yeah.
on a bunch of stuff that like
know.
I wasn't really looking for. We just kind of pick up a bunch of stuff because we're like, oh, this is pretty cheap, and then
Yeah,
we just
that's the
end up
thing.
spending too much money.
Yes, that's the things that I shop. Everything cheap. I'm not sure I'm gonna use it, but whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
Whatever. And end up like a 30, 40. We
Yeah,
never spend
like,
that.
oh, it doesn't cost that much money. I guess I'll
Yeah.
just buy it anyway. But then you end up spending so much
Yeah,
money,
I
and you're
know.
like, I didn't even need any of this stuff. Why did I buy this?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's kind of dangerous.
Yeah.
It's a good marketing scheme, honestly.
Yeah. So what was again now? What was the best omiyage ever got for you?
If someone was buying a souvenir for me, I would get like I would want like chocolate or sweets or something like that. It's
Yeah.
fine with me.
Food.
Yeah. Yeah, any kind of food,
Yeah.
but I especially love sweets, so yeah. If it was something like that, I'd be happy.
For me, one time, my student got the omiyage from Japan and the curry, curry park. There are lots of like famous curry shop in Japan, and they make like a retoruto. They just packet their own curry and they're selling. It's the best actually.
Yeah, that sounds really
Yeah,
good.
it's
I would
good.
want to try that too. I don't think I've ever like had that kind of curry before.
Hello?
No.
You should ask
I just
someone.
get like the generic ones, you know.
It's very good. It's a ramen too. Ramens are very famous, like omiyage ramen park.
Yeah.
But totally different. Still,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a very hard. The timing, how much the noodle can be boiled. Totally different. But curry roux just put on hot water, boil it.
Right, yeah.
Yes,
Makes
and
sense.
exactly the same taste.
Yeah.
Yep.
That sounds really good. I
Maybe-
want to try.
Yeah, I recommend for Japanese people if you bring some omiyage to American, like a curry park, very famous curry shop park. It's great.
Or sweets.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, if the person you're buying gifts for like sweets.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so should we repeat the phrase again?
Right.
Alright, so I'll repeat it slowly first, and then we can get a little bit faster each time we go. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. Okay, a little bit faster. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. Alright, and one more time at normal speed. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. Okay, so that's it for that.
Yeah.
How did you do?
Sounds good.
Alright, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave us a like. And if you have a suggestion for one of our next videos, feel free to leave that in the comments below as well. And if you're interested in seeing more English learning videos, feel free to subscribe to our channel as well.
Good. それではまたお会いしましょう。
Thank you. See you next
Thank you.
time. Bye.